Every cup of tea begins with a single leaf touched by the morning sun. Only the youngest leaves are chosen for premium tea production. Thousands of careful selections build the foundation of quality tea.
Precision in the field shapes everything that follows inside the factory. Quality control begins long before machinery ever starts. Across the plantation, thousands of leaves move toward a common destination. The harvest now begins its journey from field to factory. Each kilogram is tracked before entering the processing chain.
Freshness must be preserved from the very first moment. The harvested leaves begin moving toward industrial processing. Speed matters when dealing with freshly harvested tea.
Maintaining leaf integrity is essential for flavor development. Small harvests combine into industrial-scale production.
Every load brings the factory one step closer to operation. Protection during transport preserves processing quality. The next stage begins beyond the fields. Fresh leaves race against time toward transformation. Ahead stands the facility where fresh leaves become one of the world's most consumed beverages. Fresh leaves enter the industrial world, where timing becomes critical. Every shipment is documented before processing begins. Beyond these gates, agriculture meets industry. The journey narrows toward the heart of production. Fresh leaves into controlled conditions. Precision continues even in the simplest movements. Before production begins, safety comes first. Wheel locks and restraints are fully engaged.
All dock safety checks are approved. The freshness of the harvest is finally revealed.
Every bag carries thousands of carefully selected leaves.
Efficiency preserves quality at every stage. The factory begins measuring what the plantation delivered. Accurate data guides the entire production process. Each batch receives a traceable identity.
Traceability follows every leaf through the factory.
The first quality checkpoint protects the final product.
These look perfect for processing.
The harvest is now ready for industrial transformation. The leaves move deeper into the factory system. Inside these walls, the transformation of tea officially begins. The factory receives its first stream of freshly harvested tea. A controlled journey begins inside the production line. Every section of the factory is designed for continuous flow. Human oversight remains essential in modern manufacturing. Behind every production line stands a network of industrial support systems. The facility operates as a single coordinated system. Environmental control protects the quality of every leaf. Controlled access helps maintain production standards. Intake flow is steady. Data guides every stage of production.
Copy that. Increasing line 3.
The harvest is organized into a steady industrial flow.
Production depends on constant observation. From above, the scale of processing becomes clear. Buffer systems keep production stable and continuous. Automation supports consistency from the very beginning. The leaves now approach their first transformation stage. Preparation begins with controlled movement and inspection. The first quality processing systems are ready to begin their work. The next stage will remove impurities and prepare the leaves for processing. The first cleaning stage removes unwanted material before processing can begin.
Mechanical screening creates the first layer of refinement.
Air becomes a tool for precision cleaning. Every removed impurity improves the final product. Human expertise supports automated systems.
Watch for those oversized stems.
Got it. Removing them now.
Careful attention protects consistency.
Advanced imaging systems inspect every passing leaf. Technology helps maintain industrial precision.
Only qualified leaves advance through production.
The factory now works with a consistent raw material. Uniformity improves processing efficiency. The highest quality leaves receive special attention.
Accurate moisture data guides the next processing stages.
All systems look normal. Proceed.
Continuous verification maintains preparation is complete and transformation draws closer. The leaves are now ready for the stage that begins the creation of tea.
The withering stage begins the transformation from fresh leaf to tea.
Uniform distribution ensures consistent moisture reduction. Air becomes one of the most important tools in tea production. Moisture begins to leave the leaf, preparing it for processing. Experience helps determine when the leaves are ready. Precision measurement guides every stage of production. Physical changes prepare the leaves for mechanical processing.
These are looking perfect.
Regular testing ensures consistency across every batch.
Accurate data confirms the progress of withering.
Measured decisions protect product quality. Automation maintains ideal processing conditions. The leaves approach readiness for the next stage. The leaves have reached the condition required for transformation.
The withering process is complete.
The next stage of processing is ready to begin. The softened leaves now move toward mechanical shaping. The stage is set for the process that unlocks the character of tea. The rolling process begins shaping the future character of the tea. Pressure and motion release the compounds hidden within each leaf. Physical transformation prepares the leaves for oxidation. Precision control determines the quality of the final tea. Thousands of kilograms move through this stage every day. The leaves leave the machine with a new structure and purpose. Uniformity remains essential before the next transformation. The most important flavor-building stage is about to begin. The tea is prepared for controlled oxidation. The environment now shapes the flavor of the final product. Chemical reactions quietly transform the tea.
Experience and data work together to guide the process.
This batch is darkening.
It is perfect.
The signature appearance of black tea begins to emerge. Frequent testing prevents variation across batches.
Verification ensures the process stays on course.
The flavor-building stage has reached completion. The transformation must now be locked into the leaf. The next stage will preserve the flavor created during oxidation. Heat now prepares the tea for its final industrial refinement. The flavors developed during oxidation must now be preserved. Controlled heat removes moisture while protecting quality. Airflow management is central to modern tea manufacturing.
Thousands of data points guide every production batch.
Automation allows precise control across the entire facility.
Every percentage of moisture matters.
The tea continues its controlled transformation.
Multiple drying stages create consistency throughout the batch.
The system continuously responds to changing conditions. Modern factories combine engineering with real-time analytics. Cooling stabilizes the product after intense drying.
Precision continues long after the heat is removed. Quality checks remain constant throughout production. These moisture levels look perfect.
color is consistent, every stage generates valuable operational data.
Control, report 402 is complete.
Copy that, updating the log.
Automation guides the tea toward final refinement. The product is ready for detailed classification. The next stage will separate tea into precise commercial grades. The dried tea now enters the precision grading stage.
Size classification creates the foundation for commercial grading.
Each screen refines the classification further. The highest grades demand the greatest consistency.
Advanced imaging verifies what mechanical grading achieved.
Automation helps maintain strict quality standards.
Automation helps maintain strict quality standards. Each grade is separated for its intended market. Notice the leaf size here. Huge difference.
Huge difference.
Verification confirms the accuracy of the... Approved classifications advance toward finishing. Blending creates consistency from batch to batch.
Carefully controlled formulas define the final product.
Uniformity is one of the hallmarks of industrial tea production.
Every blend is measured and documented.
The product now reflects the intended factory specification. Final refinement improves presentation and consistency. Safety systems operate continuously throughout production. The final product awaits its last round of testing. Before packaging begins, quality must be confirmed one final time. The final decision now belongs to quality control. Before packaging can begin, the tea must pass its final examinations. Every batch remains fully traceable from field to factory. Moisture levels play a critical role in product stability. Uniformity confirms the success of earlier processing stages.
Visual appearance reveals important information about processing quality. The character of tea extends far beyond appearance.
Controlled brewing reveals the tea's true profile.
Color provides another measure of processing success. Aroma reflects the complex journey of the tea leaf.
Human expertise remains essential in quality control.
Every measurement contributes to the final decision.
Safety standards remain as important as product quality. The final evaluation brings all results together. All parameters are within the target range.
Looks good. Proceed with
The
approval.
tea has successfully met factory standards.
The final production stage is ready to begin. The finished product now begins its final journey through the factory. The final transformation turns processed tea into a market-ready product. The factory prepares to deliver its product to the world. The finished tea now enters its final commercial form.
Packaging protects the quality built throughout production.
Every package carries its complete production history. Quality control continues until the final moment. Automation increases speed while maintaining consistency. Individual packages become ready for large-scale distribution. Careful stacking protects the product during transport.
Secure loads ensure safe handling across long distances.
The tea enters storage while awaiting shipment. Inventory management keeps every shipment organized. Digital systems coordinate movement across the supply chain. The final destination for each pallet is determined.
Copy that. Bring it down to Dock 4.
The product is now ready to leave the factory. Months of cultivation and hours of processing reach their final stage. Every shipment is checked before beginning its journey. The finished tea now travels toward markets around the world. From fresh leaves to finished packages, every stage works together as one continuous system. And this is how modern factories produce from start to finish.